this video we're going to be doing some more personal budget related questions, and we have a question here that Bella earns $4,000 each fortnight and she pays 37% of this in tax and other deductions. This table shows her major fortnightly expenses. So she earns $4,000, but she pays tax and deductions are taken out of that $4,000 before she's able to spend it. So we have also here a list of her major expenses. Well, let's have a look at what are her fortnightly expenses. If you remember, a fortnight is 2 weeks. So we have a list of expenses here. Well, let's go total. Just do total expenses. Is going to be equal to, well, 750 plus 250 is 1,000, 1,400, 1,500. So dollars 1,500. Just sum up each one of these numbers. So that's our total expenses for the fortnight. B, what amount is Bella left with each fortnight after tax and other deductions? So we have to work out how much of this money she actually gets to keep after her 37% is taken out of it. So we can do, well, it's going to be, let's do 100% minus 37% is going to be equal to 63%. And we need to convert this to a decimal, so 63% divided by 100 is going to be 0.63. So we can work out her income after deductions is going to be equal to 0.63 times her fortnightly income of $4,000. $2,520. Alright, so that's how much she's got left over after her tax and other deductions are taken out of her income. So what is the maximum she can save each fortnight? Well, that's going to be, so max saved is going to be equal to her fortnightly income after deductions, $2,520, minus $1,500, which is going to be equal to $1,020. Alright, so that's the maximum amount she can save every single fortnight. Now, Bella's utilities bill increases by 8%. How much she'll be left with at the end of the fortnight? So, one way to do this is to go back to the utilities, add the 8% on, add it all up, and take it away from her income after deductions again. But you can just work out what 8% would be, and then take it away from our end answer here, our final maximum saved here. So what's 8% of her utility bill is going to be? So her utility bill is equal to $250. So utility increase is going to be equal to 8% as a decimal is 0.08 times $250. Well, that equals to $20. So her expenses have increased by another $20. So her max saved is going to be equal to this number here, $1,020, minus that additional $20, which is equal to $1,000. So an easy way to think about that is, if we know we're just adding on this little bit extra, why don't we just take away that extra amount from the total we've already calculated? There's no need to go through all of the steps all over again. Just have a quick think about how you would get this extra money off what you've already determined. Alright, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.